We continue in our job opportunity series for 2024 especially, and I would love to speak about Esther. But before Esther, why don't you look at Mordecai? Because really, Mordecai is a great factor in the life of Esther. So let's do Mordecai, then we'll go to Esther. Are you a single parent? Are you raising a child all on your own? A widow, a widower? You adopt a child who is not yours, or you are mentoring some people that are not even remotely related to you in any way. You have house help living under your roof, and something in you tells you there is more to that child that stays with you. You might actually be the Mordecai that we're looking for now. Yes, Esther is very important and critical to the survival of so many people. But someone raised her. So, who are you raising under your roof at the moment? They might not even be a child with physical or visible talents, but look deeply, there's something about them, there's something about their destiny that in the now you might not know, but in the future they hold the key to the survival of a great number of people. In fact, the survival of maybe our nation or your household or your city or your industry. Now, how you treat them matters a lot. You need to start getting more deliberate, pay more attention. You need to be more strategic in how you relate with them. And this goes to so many people who maybe currently are maltreating the children they've adopted. They're maltreating that house help and all that. Now you need to look a bit deeper and change your tactics and change your ways. Don't be surprised that that person holds the key to even your own success in the nearest future. There are three examples I could readily give you in the Bible, apart from Mordecai and Esther. There was this little boy that had 2 fishes and 5 loaves, and if not for what the little boy had, some 5,000 people would have been so hungry on a certain day. Jesus had to actually multiply what the boy had to feed 5,000 people. Now imagine if that boy never had it. Someone groomed that child. Someone probably gave the boy the resources to get those fishes and those bread for himself, not knowing that those same resources would actually feed more people, far more people. Esther thought that she was going into the palace just for herself to be queen, but she actually ended up saving a whole nation of Jews. Same thing with the slave, the young slave that saved or helped David get back Ziklag when Ziklag was attacked and raided by the Amalekites. It took that slave that was abandoned because he'd been sick for like 3 days. It took that slave to show David where the Amalekites were, and then David was able to recover all. Now, what it tells you is some people that are feeding off you now, or you're taking care, you're responsible for them now, is not all totally a waste, because in the nearest future they're going to be the one to help you, and not just you, help a generation, help a nation, help a community get out of a very uncomfortable situation. So here is encouraging all single women, all single men, single fathers, single mothers, all those who are raising children that are not their own. You have children of your own, yes. We'll come to that much more in the future. But now I want you to focus on those children that are not yours biologically, those children that you adopted, those children that you took off your siblings or off some relatives that couldn't raise them on their own, maybe for lack of funds or some other things, or some children that you brought in to help you with house chores and things like that. Pay attention. Pay attention to them. You now need to be strategic about them. Find out the skills they could learn, find out their passion, find out what they have and what they don't even have. What did Esther have? Beauty, that was all. It was intangible. It wasn't something that could be seen, but it was nurtured. And then Mordecai helped her build good character. So much so that at some point in time, Mordecai was there to guide her through, to say, do this, go to this person, take this is how you work. Oh, this is what you should do. This is how to proceed. So you need to actually groom that child that is under your roof right now. Begin to pray and depend on God to show you the strategic purpose for them being under your roof or being led to you to take care of and to nurture now. Because I tell you, sometime in the future, that child holds the key to the salvation and to the deliverance of so many people, to many nations. Now, the world is craving for those people that can lead them out of the fix that we are all in. And those who will bring those solutions are the people that we never thought had the solution, because they are divinely positioned, they are divinely created, positioned to lead many out of the fix that we are in. Economical fix, sociological fix, physiological fix, psychological fix, so many, even medical fixes that our nations are at the moment. Some people are given, they don't look like that now, but in the future, they hold the key to setting many free, to setting nations free, and to giving us the deliverance that we all need. So please, I appeal to you, play your part in raising that child. Play your part in nurturing that child and deliberately looking for that purpose that that child who is under your roof at this moment has, so that they can fulfill destiny. The time is now. Please pay much more attention. Let's talk about Esther next. Be free to press the notification button so that when the next video drops, you can be notified. Please also share the link to this video, share it around. You might be the Mordecai, or someone close to you might be the Mordecai. Let this word go round. Click, follow, subscribe. Thank you.